Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so...
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a Kmart Australia shop with me. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I absolutely love shopping at Kmart. Here in Australia, it's one of our biggest retailers. And when it comes to home decor on an affordable budget, this is definitely the place to shop. Kmart definitely bring out a luxe for less collection, like this beautiful luxury velvet chair. It's priced at just $49. They always have the most affordable artwork, like this camel picture that has been reduced for just $9. Here in Australia, us ladies definitely love our Kmart. Guys, there's many an Instagram page, many a Facebook group, all dedicated to Kmart Australia. I'm certainly not kidding you when I tell you this, that most Australian ladies are lined up out the front of Kmart Australia when they release their brand new home decor collection. It really is a case of first in, best served. So if you really want that item and you see it, you really need to take it that day, because chances are there's always someone lined up waiting for it as well. Like this gorgeous gold round mirror. It is so beautiful, guys, and priced at just $29. In fact, Kmart have just released a lot of gold decor, which I absolutely love at the moment. Like these beautiful lamps, guys. How stunning are these? The thing I love most about Kmart's home decor, other than their amazing prices, is the fact that they have an idea for everyone. So you might like glam decor, you might like boho or tropical. They definitely have something there for you that you can combine together to create that cozy look in your home. You can definitely find me in their flowers section when it comes to fake flowers at Kmart. They are so affordable, and you will find that I do use a lot of these in my DIY projects. These little roses, for example, are only $5 a bunch. Now take a look on clearance for just $25, guys. Was this beautiful timeless console table. Has gold legs and beautiful detailed drawers, and they also have a matching sideboard. This retails for just $35. always love to pick up inexpensive candles at Kmart. These truly hold their scent, and at 75 cents each, you can't walk away.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you.
A typical example of how quickly things get sold out. I filmed this video one day after Kmart released this beautiful arched mirror. Now I actually wanted a pair of these. They're only $40 each, and look guys, only one left.
Back to love, 'cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better.
Now this video is definitely not sponsored by Kmart Australia. I'm just one of those crazy ladies that absolutely loves to shop in Kmart. I'm that girl that is waiting out the front when there is a new release when it comes to Kmart decor. Not that your girl Shell needs another cushion, but guys, how stunning are these? And priced at only $6. How can you honestly walk away from these prices?
I made my bed, yeah, I'm not proud. It was just a mistake, you should know that.
I always tell anyone who'll listen that Kmart is definitely the place to go. If, for example, you're starting out, you might have your first home, or you might just want to upgrade your home decor, but you just don't have the budget to do it. Kmart Australia is definitely the place to shop when it comes to that, and their quality of their decor, guys, is exceptional. Even though I am a glam girl, I just couldn't walk away from this cute little llama. How gorgeous is he, guys? They also have a very affordable range of outdoor gardening ideas. Like this marble pot for just $10.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feel so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. Get up again.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed shopping with me at Kmart Australia.
Stronger than I ever been. I won't get up again. Stronger than
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.